Alright, today I want to solve a little problem that every mechanic comes across every once in a while. Removing this stud. It's very simple, and most of the people that watch this are going to say, oh, I do that already. But I'm betting there's a couple out there that don't. Let me rephrase that. There's a couple out there that don't know this little trick. So you got a stud, it's in there, it's stuck. So you take one nut and you run it on. I'm having trouble focusing that Sony P510 today, so I hope it's still working right. And you put another nut on. You take your 2 wrenches and you jam them together. Stuck tight. Then you take your wrench on the inside nut and hopefully it comes out, which it's not. Let's try it again. Actually, here's another tip for you. Put this wrench on here, put this wrench on here and squeeze them to loosen. Or you put them on like this and you can actually squeeze 2 wrenches together. Get a little bit of bite. I'm going to try it one more time and see what happens. After that, we're going to go to a different method. Yeah, that's not working. Alright, we're going to have to heat this up. Okay, let's try that. Seriously. Still not coming out. Wow. Okay, it's a stubborn one. I'm going to let it cool. The way it works is when metal cools, it shrinks. So I'm hoping that that stud will shrink up and break its bond with the block. So we'll come back in a little bit and I'll check on that progress. If that doesn't work, we'll move on to a little bigger source of heat. And we'll try folks, we're back. We've let this cool down. Let's see how we did. I did put a little oil on the end, right down in there. That block's still warm. But we got our stud out. It's that easy, folks. That's it. That's how to get a stud out of a stuck stud out of a hole. So there you go. All it took was a couple of nuts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. I'm going to tell it all. Thanks for watching.